let's try this again. So this is using Screencast-O-Matic. I'm using Google Keep. All of your notes will sync directly to your Google Drive. This is the pen. With the pen, you have a variety of colors and sizes for your pen. So let's go little small, let's go large. So here you can start to do your writing. So you can do your math equations, 2x plus 2y equals 6. What is that? Okay, whatever that is. So these are your pen options. And then maybe you want a little thicker marker. So these are marker colors. They're going to be a little thicker and a little easier to see over here. And then your highlighters. So if you're annotating a text or doing anything like this, these guys are going to let you see through the text while highlighting it. Also, you can get a grid. This is your grid. It can be into squares. Maybe you needed to do a counting by numbers activity, so you needed to use the squares. Let's see, those squares plus these squares. Obviously, I'm not a math teacher, so you could use this as graph paper as well. You can use it as dots for a drawing activity. You can use it as ruled paper to practice penmanship. Who does that? Or you could have no background. So those are your options on the notes. That's included in